But the thing is that we as a community, we own the rights to what's being built on our land.
That one,
whether somebody has not been commissioned, whatever, we don't care. You look at how people are struggling. Like there are still slums in this community, probably the whole of Wa, the main communities, that if you were to walk in their slums, you can still find feces being tied on in polybags.
Yes.
And there are some slums that are noted, like you are walking there, you know that the possibility of seeing some shouldn't be a surprise.
That's it.
And wake up morning, if you wake up early in the morning, let's say the time after Fajr, and you go by the roadside, the number of people that are trooping there to ease themselves, men, women, children alike. And it's an open defecation. This is 2025. And
you see, somebody elsewhere will not believe in what we are saying.
Yeah.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You are welcome to another brand new episode of Matters Around Us on Akrubo Studios. My name is Ike. You can call me the 3-star general, your number one social and moral commentator. And in the studio with me, I have a kid brother. I will allow him to do the introduction on his.
Well, I'll take it from there. My name is Sadiq. I'm also a creative as well. I started Major Vice Brab 2. And yeah, that's just what I am, and I'm based here in Wa.
So. Okay, that's fine. So he's called a creative. The topic for discussion today is most of our government facilities that have been turned into a mere monument. So recently I saw you updated on a group WhatsApp platform about one particular project. So what actually inspired you about that?
So just to make matters clear so that it doesn't look like we are talking about far-fetched issues.
Okay.
I'm from the Dondoli community, and the particular project that I was trying to highlight was about a public toilet that has been built. It is completed already, but it has been left in rooms. Yes, it's been abandoned. And next to it is the road, and there's this trash container that is just there. Even though it wasn't supposed to be on the road in the first place.
Every day I keep on wondering, why do they station that thing on the road? So it's like, is that the purpose of it?
Well, not even. Let's even leave that. Okay. Now the thing has been full with trash, and they are not coming to pick it. I don't know who is responsible to come and pick it, if it's Zoomline or whatever. But the people that
I think that's the ensemble.
Yeah, they've not come for it, and now they are throwing the trash onto the road. So we were from the gym the other night, and then it just came to my mind, like it's something that you see every day and you pass by, but that moment it clicked, and I was like, let me make a video of it and drop it in the group and see what will happen. So that was what happened.
Okay. So I saw that something I was so inspired. You know, these are things that I always wish that people would be much concerned with our media space, on our media space. But when you look at it critically, people on the digital environments are either attacking or counter-attacking people insult every time. So when I see a youth that is so vibrant on issues like this, I'm always eager and excited to invite the person into this studio. So let's watch the video of the said facility, and then we'll come back and talk much more on it. All right.
Yo. Mar. Yo. Mar.
Okay, you've seen it for yourselves. So this was supposed to be a toilet facility, right?
Yeah.
But I think this project has been there for almost 3 years now.
Yeah, when the project started, personally, I wasn't even in WA at that time.
Oh, okay.
I came to meet it in this completion stage.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not sure of who initiated the project, but I was told that it was being commissioned by Haji Humu.
Oh, okay.
That's what I've been told. So to me, I'm not saying this is the truth, but to me, I think it was a politically motivated project.
But to be commissioned by Haji Humu didn't hold any political office in the NPP to commission a project. So what I also learned was that the project contractor is a regional vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Alajo Heights. I think he's the person that
It's in charge.
constructed the
Okay.
the facility. So after completing it, I don't know whether they haven't paid him his money yet or it's just because what I heard was that the project came with a borehole.
Okay.
So it was like a toilet facility and a borehole for the community, our community. So I learned one other sector bid for the project.
Okay.
But because they were majority, the opposite of MPP.
Okay, all right.
So they denied them the project.
Okay, and they
So though the project is situated, like that particular place is nice because people do open defecation
Yeah,
at that
a
place. So
lot.
it will just serve as a people giving excuses.
not to use
So you
the
see,
public
like
toilet.
I see where it is. It is a nice distance. But I wonder, after completing the project, it has been abandoned for this long. And when you look at the wall, everything is just deteriorating. The building is kind of
Well, I really don't blame the people. I blame the leadership. Whoever is in charge of it, or those that are in charge of it to erect the property, are the ones that we should blame.
Yeah, that's
and
very true.
it's a nationwide phenomenon whereby these projects have been left. Even maintenance is an issue. So if a project has been built and cannot be opened,
The last time we went to the regional hospital, I was telling my brother that if I become the president of Ghana, or if I ever have a chance to contribute in governance, what I'm going to add to our ministerial positions is minister of this thing. How do you call it? Maintenance.
all right,
Because we need something like that in our country. We will bring the project. It will be nice, but how to maintain it is a problem. So what you said, I think I'm in agreement with that.
So it's something that I've been looking myself. So when you look at it, it's like I don't even like speaking on the political part of it because in this country everything is politicized.
Yeah.
And so just like politicians, they come in for something and they give you something.
Yeah.
So if the conditions weren't really met, they may not open it.
Yeah.
But the thing is that we as a community, we own the rights to what's being built on our land.
That one,
Whether
exactly.
somebody has not been commissioned, whatever, we don't care. You look at how people are struggling. Like there are still slums in this community, probably the whole of Wa, the main communities, that if you were to walk in their slums, you can still find feces being tied
on
in
a
poly bags.
polythene bag. Yes.
And there are some slums that are noted, like you are walking there, you know that the possibility of seeing some shouldn't be a surprise.
That's it.
And wake up morning, if you wake up early in the morning, let's say the time of the Fajr, and you go by the roadside, the number of people that are trooping there to ease themselves, men, women, children alike. And it's an open defecation. This is 2025. And
You see, somebody elsewhere will not believe in what we are saying.
yeah,
Okay.
it's sad.
So talking about that, you see, that project, I don't blame the government that much because the person that built the project, if he had started using the project, by now he would have reached like some threshold of the amount that is to pay to him. I don't know if you get me very well.
Yeah.
For like that project has been abandoned, you're waiting for government to commission or like government to give you your money. Why wouldn't you rather bring somebody there to come and sit?
Make it a personalized business. And even as long as it's a government, like it was a government project given to you, there is paperwork for it.
That is it.
And what's documented can never be erased like that.
Yes.
You can still get your money. Who
Yes.
even knows? Maybe you have taken it.
Yes.
I just believe there's some truth to this project that
I believe there's
other
something like there's a
projects
hidden this thing we are not getting.
Yes.
There are hidden facts that we are not
And-
getting. I was like a nicely built,
Like it's very nice. So
fully finished,
that
completed.
was why I use the particular word, that monument. A
Monument,
decaying
yes. It's
Because
just like
it's like a statue.
Yeah, like a tourist site.
Yes.
Just standing there, beautiful.
Oh.
So what bothers me is like the refuse dump. That the container they have is situated near.
You know
near it.
our hypocrisy right now. I don't want to say this and offend anybody.
Oh.
But you know the mayor of the town right now has this clean initiative whereby is it monthly or whatever,
every month.
people are encouraged to come out and clean. We are also encouraged to clean. But that refuse has been there. But we clean.
We clean.
Yes,
we clean
observe it.
every month.
We
We
post
clean,
the
observe
flyers
it.
and we observe it.
But that
That
place
particular place is
stuck.
still there.
But like this is a challenge I would throw to our community assembly representative. That particular thing has been worrying me, and more times I want to contact him. But I was wishing that maybe something would have drawn his notice to it to post it on the community platform for us to go there and then see what's up. Because this thing, let's just say, if we find a day particular for it, I believe you know our community, how unity.
And I was saying that the mayor's initiative is a great one. And before we already have some for this community.
That was going on. Yeah.
Proper planning is what we lacked. If, like I said, I don't want to offend anybody.
Oh, but it's not about offend.
But the thing
that's
is
the truth.
That's it. Now you know you're going out to clean. Why don't you go around the camps where the boys sit and just try to invite them? Now get everything that will attract people to come and clean. It's their community. Like at the end of the day, people want to do these things.
So when we went to do cleanup exercise, and there's just a motivation. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So local.
Yeah.
That's a brass band.
It's not even money.
Something to generate the voice.
Yes.
We don't want money. We don't want food.
Just
we don't
make
want
it a hype thing.
They'll come around. So this is something like I'm pleading on the mayor of the town. He should turn his. We are pleading that he should turn his focus to that aspect. Those two issues are worrying us.
Like a lot.
People are living near it. Imagine there's a cholera outbreak. That kind of, and I heard this community has ever.
Yes, like it's one of the things that people used to make fun of us.
Yeah, still
like,
this.
And I was like, sometimes they say, I'm like, man, I don't know. Maybe I was young. I didn't. But they keep saying
some
it.
Some of us were not even born, but like, they keep saying it. That cholera has ever hit Dondoli, and a lot of people have died because of our issues like this. So imagine, it's a little worrying. It's a little worrying. So when you see that particular project we're talking about, can't the people of Dondoli themselves decide to be using it? Because like, I don't know, who are we waiting for? We are the government. Who are we waiting for?
I think that's why I say I'm not going to blame politicians or the government.
Yeah, sometimes we don't have to blame them.
Even our own leadership, it's like there's leadership though, but have we not given them the power to rule over us or something? Because there are people that can step out and be like, okay, this is wrong, I want to correct it. Yes. And then it will be done.
Yes.
But then you see it and then everybody watches. Me that I'm speaking about the public toilet, I'm not going to use, I don't remember the last time I used a public toilet in my life.
Yeah.
But I'm speaking about it. Because I'm concerned.
Seeing that most people are lacking that aspect in their daily life. Yeah, that's true.
Our old women are struggling.
A lot.
It's sad.
So sometimes it will be sad seeing an old woman or a old woman going to this bush.
Yes.
To go and
somebody that's really struggling with walking. And
with a stick. Cotton border.
Yes.
Baby Mondo. Cotton border. Yes. Baby Mondo. The last time, the funny thing is that there's this one guy, this tall guy. I learned Kudanga. Easy room. Wow.
Yeah. I heard it.
Yes. So imagine such things.
It's true.
So Kanabonga, Kondo Yoku, I'm Jadana to avoidable. And so with this 3 years to hang Tenemberana, like I don't even want to say we want to beg. We are the government. Can't we use that?
We have to do something.
Can't we use it? Like I don't understand, because it is built on our land. And
it is ours.
Us. And the money is our taxpayers' money.
So
what are we waiting for?
And
it's really worrying.
The ones that I think we, the young people of the community, it's like sometimes when you say these things, they'll be like, maybe you don't respect authority or you don't respect leadership. But the thing is, we are seeing it happening in real life.
You see, these are the things that they use to, deter us from entering into politics. They've created some kind of bad threat with this aspect. Let's say today, if I start posting political things that are right, but the opponent will view it like I'm an enemy. You understand? People start saying that, stop this, you created it for yourself.
Yes.
This kind of thing
yes.
I'm a citizen of Ghana. I have the right to talk about politics. Exactly. But once I start condemning a government or like activities of the government of the day, people start saying, you do this, you create it for yourself. Not only politics, even in religion.
Yes.
When you see something right and you are saying it, they'll say, this thing you can create hatred for yourself. Like, people just hate the truth. People hate the truth. So once you start to speak the truth, it will be like you are creating enemies for yourself or that kind of thing. But
these are things that we should talk about.
If we don't talk about these things, what will we talk about?
There's certain government or the minority, whatever, like at the end of the day, they are politicians.
Yes.
And we have to come with the realization of this truth that most politicians, I watched this man, may he so rest in peace. Motala, yes. A video of him that Sakore posted whereby he was speaking about the fact that there were some politicians before they came into power, they couldn't even rent a space for themselves.
Yes.
And now they are building condos and stuff.
Yes. Yeah.
I was like, yeah, these are people, regardless of how you see these people as angels that are doing good.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, they are trying to shield themselves from the problems of the country.
Yes.
And so once you get a chance to get something out of the national budget, please fight for it.
Yes.
And this is one of it.
Yes. So if we don't talk about their activities, what else will you talk about? They are there for us. Make nobody come to the comment section and say like we are being political biased or something. No. And even what pains me is the lack of continuity from government projects. This government will start something, it won't be able to complete it. The next government will come. Instead of investing in the same project, you feel like, oh, it was this predecessor's project.
Yes.
So I'm also going to start mine.
Yes.
And but before you realize, they will also complete their own. These people also come. Oh, Charlie.
Yes.
That thing is really worrying. So
Yeah,
it's one that, like we can relate to this project. If this current government
like
actually wants,
the credit
they should they
was
should
given
just
to somebody else.
like commission it and make it in use. Else it just can be standing there.
Or maybe if you know that you don't want to give credit to your predecessor or anybody, then why don't we go and destroy it? Because like it's a community land, you can give it to one of the young people in the community to build a house or a business center.
It's a nice place. It can even be used to build shops and other stuff. Because along it, they are creating shops on
that's
the
exactly
same
what I
path,
mean.
the same,
And now
sorry, the same side. So I don't understand us. If they don't want it, they should come and demolish it and give our land back to us, or like I don't know, because that's what we say. It we say we like it's really painful. It's really disheartening.
Yeah, and we are not the only ones seeing it.
Yeah,
everybody in the community
is talking about it.
Yes,
it's talking about it.
It's
so this is where we draw the curtains on the program. Let us know what you also think about the said projects. Yeah, actually, our cameraman said we should give him big ups. Classic Vidal, Charlie, big ups yourself. So let us know what you think about the said project. Come into the comment section. If you also have same issue in your community, same issue within your your living space that you want us to address, you can also share the video on the comment section. See you next time. Until then, stay blessed. Peace.